Hi all, I am revising realization of all logic gates using NAND gates. Revision because it is very important topic. Realization of all logic gates using NAND gates, or simply design all logic gates using NAND gates. That means NAND as universal gate. Okay, let's design. Okay, it's revision. I have already explained in the previous videos. Okay, let's design first NOT gate. NOT gate. Okay, NOT gate using NAND gate. Like this. A Y is equal to A bar. ಇದನ್ನು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇದು ಪಿನ್ ನಂಬರು 1 2, ಇದು ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3. ಇವೆರಡನ್ನ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನೇ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೇಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ಲು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಟು ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ಟು A Y is equal to A bar 0 1 1 0. Okay, this is the truth table of NOT gate. This is the Boolean expression. Okay, next let's design AND gate. Now let's design AND gate. See, this is A B. Okay, this is A B bar. Again Y is equal to, again we have connected NOT gate. Okay, A B bar like double bar. This bar will get cancelled. Y is equal to A B. Okay, pin number 1 2 3 4 5. In laboratory they will teach you how to put pin numbers. Okay, now Y is equal to ಇದು A ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಿ ಆರ್ A B 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. This is A B. Again A B bar A B double bar. See, 0 into 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Again A B double bar complement 1 1 becomes 0 0 0 1. This one is equal to like this. A B is equal to A B double bar like this. Okay, next OR gate. Next OR gate. A, you have to practice at home without seeing the book. A B pin number 1 2 3 4, 5, 6, 9, 10. In examination, if you don't put the pin number also, that's fine, no issues. Here see, this is A bar, this is B bar. Okay, next again y is equal to here A bar dot B bar dot double bar. Okay, here now apply De Morgan's theorem. Apply De Morgan's theorem. A B bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. Okay, here when you apply the De Morgan's theorem, y is equal to, okay, here this one A bar plus B bar. A bar where will get cancelled, y is equal to A plus B. Okay, this is the OR gate. Here this is y is equal to A plus B. Next, NOR gate. Simply for this gate only, the output of it, okay, connect one NAND gate. NOR gate. For this one, I will connecting one NAND gate. Right neatly, straight up ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. This is A, B, pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 8, 12, 13, 11. Y is equal to, here I explained, here you will get, here y is equal to, here you will get A plus B. Okay, here when you connect this one, input to this gate is A plus B, not NAND gate. Okay, that means A plus B whole bar, like this. Okay, A plus B whole bar. Next next here next XOR gate. XOR gate. XOR gate. To design XOR gate, you need 4 NAND gates. This is A, B, pin number 1, 2, 3, just 4, 5, 6, this 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 11. Okay, okay, we need to get this one A XOR B, that means is equal to A B bar plus A bar B. You have to get this expression. How to get it? Okay, I will take it as this one y1. Okay, this is y1, this is I will take it as y2 input output, this is y3, last one y. Okay, here y1 is equal to A B bar, y2 is equal to this one. Okay, y2 is equal to A, okay, dot, next this one, here this is AB bar. Okay, sorry, dot A B bar Okay, next double bar because we are using NAND gate. Next y3 is equal to b dot, okay, yeah, see this one b, again this one a b bar, b dot a b bar, okay, b bar then double bar. Okay, next here now we need to get y is equal to y2 plus y3. Y is equal to, okay, y is equal to, I will write now a dot a b bar double bar dot b dot a b bar double bar. Okay, see here we have to apply a b bar is equal to a bar plus b bar. We have to apply De Morgan's theorem. Okay, this one you consider as a b. Okay, now apply De Morgan's theorem here. Y is equal to a bar double bar a bar b bar, okay, next plus b dot a bar double bar. Okay, now here this one, see a double bar will get cancel, we will get a. Okay, we again apply De Morgan's theorem a. Okay, this one, this becomes b double bar. Okay, this one also will get cancel. Next here a dot a bar plus b bar plus b, this one will get cancel, plus a bar plus b bar. Y is equal to multiply a into a bar plus a b bar, sorry a b bar, a b bar plus b a bar plus b into b bar. Here b bar is equal to 0 or a dot is equal to 0. Okay, next y is equal to 0 plus a b bar plus this one a bar b plus 0. Y is equal to a b bar plus a bar b. This is the expression, Boolean expression. Okay, next x NOR gate. Next x NOR gate. Okay, next x NOR gate. For x NOR gate, same here. See this one 1 2 3 4 5 6 9 10 8. I am writing pin number 12 3 11. This again use one more NAND gate 1 2. Okay, see y input. See, I have explained the XOR gate. Here you will get y is equal to a bar a b bar plus a bar b. Okay, that means here y is equal to a XOR b is equal to, here if you connect one more NAND gate you will get y is equal to a XOR b whole bar. Okay, or y is equal to c also equal to x NOR gate, it's also equal to that, but y is equal to ab plus a bar b bar. This is NAND gate. Truth table, a b, y is equal to a XOR b whole bar 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 Okay. One, 0, 0, 1. This is the truth table of X NOR gate. I have explained all the gates. Okay, I have designed all the gates using NAND gate. In the next video, let's learn about design all gates using NOR gates. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ.